I gotta do a little tree removal here today for my father-in-law, and it's gonna be a little bit difficult. I gotta take these two down. You can see there's a power line right here next to this one. This one here is pretty good size. I'm gonna use a 200, but there's a road right here, just on the other side of these trees. So the bad part about this is I'm gonna have to set up here in the field and pull these trees back towards the excavator, which I'm not very fond of doing, but sometimes you have to do it that way. But anyway, I got to take all the trees out along this road right here, between the road and the hayfield. So I'm not very excited about doing it. Matter of fact, I'm pretty nervous about it. I've had to do this several other times, but I always get nervous about it. I don't know why. Just something about pulling trees over toward the machine that you're in just doesn't appeal to me very well. But so far, I've never killed myself or a machine. But anyway, wish me luck. Alright, I'm getting ready to take this big pine tree down. I gotta be careful of the phone line, not too far from this tree. I gotta keep from hitting. Talking about buried in the ground. Break some of the roots around it here, so maybe I can control it as it goes down. Break a few more limbs out of it, so maybe they won't hit me. ass tree over on top of yourself. Come on. Excavator. You're ready to run. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hell yeah. One down, 20 more to go. Get a little dirt out of the stump so I can handle the thing. Pretty big tree. If I live through this, I'm going to start mowing some hay tomorrow morning. See, this damn thing has got, I do not like this. I do not like it. I do not like it. I'm afraid if I start pushing, it's going to break off. Okay, the whole tree's going. I think we're all right. We're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Leave as much dirt here as I can. A little bit better than that big old pine tree.
close. I don't like this. I'm probably gonna have to. This one I might get out because it's so small. Try it. Ain't gonna dig around it. See what happens. Just a big wad of crap right there. I don't know what the heck you call that. Anyway, let's see if I can break it off or something here. Mark, you probably can't see it, but it ain't about this far from that tree. And it's blue because I repainted the marks blue because I'm colorblind and I can't see orange on grass. That's why they're blue now. They mark phone lines orange when they come mark them for you, but I repaint them blue. I can repaint them blue or white, and I can see them pretty good. I know blue is supposed to be for water line marking, but I have to do what I have to do. I hope this big root ball ain't pulling the phone line out. That's all I got to say. If it is, I'm screwed. Wiggling it, just not jerk it out of the ground, but just keep wiggling it around here. I mean, this thing, the roots are coming right out from under where them lines are. I believe it's going to be alright, I think. As long as I didn't do any underground and damage to them, I believe I'm alright. Oh, watch out for that tree banging on my window. Why don't you get out of my way? Somewhere, take on someone else. Alright, this one, the dang phone line is right against the tree. So I don't think I'm going to try to take this one out of the ground. I'm going to try to break this little bit off right here. Maybe. That kind of disintegrated. before you cut it. That way when it goes by, it won't hit this machine. Good job, Rich. That's a tree right there, buddy. Can I pick it up? No, cannot. Have to drag it. All right, now what? Alright guys, got all them trees down. Nobody got injured or killed or anything like that, so it went good. So I'm gonna go up here and work on the bank where I took the ones down that the stumps come out, and straighten the bank back up, get all that fixed nice so they can seat it back, and I guess that's gonna be it. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.